Did you order the right halo kit for your Camaro? Stay tuned to find out more. Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. I'm your host Roger. Did you order the right lights for your Camaro? Did you know there's two different types? This is the type I ordered. This is the 1.0 type. This is what I received. This is the 2.0 series. And as you can see, that's not going to work. The eBay seller that I got this from didn't realize there's two different sets. This is the 2.0, this is the 1.0. This is this style. The bad thing is I've had this box for about 8 weeks now. And I didn't think my eBay seller would accept a return for having it that long. So I started a return, and I didn't hear from him for a day or so. Almost 2 days. I kind of gave up on him. So I went to Amazon and bought this box. And this is the box I need. I haven't got it open yet because I'm going to have to return this one back to Amazon. And this one back to my seller, eBay seller. I have to return both of these and wait on another box like this one. The eBay seller I'm talking about is Auto Extras LLC on eBay. I've had this for almost 2 months now, and I didn't think there was any way he would accept it back because we've already exchanged feedback, and I thought the deal was done. But being he sent the wrong item and didn't realize there was two different types, then he was willing to work with me, even though it's been almost 2 months since I purchased the item. Send this one back and get a replacement. I have to get the 1.0 like this one so I can continue my installation. So if you need any auto parts, look up Auto Extras. They're good people to work with. Even though I've had this for a long time, then if they send out the wrong item, they will stand behind their product.